Yeah, here we have an Ingersoll ran 60-gallon vertical compressor. It's 5 horsepower, 230 volt single phase. It appears to be unused. It's in really good condition. We're going to fire it up to show you that it does operate here. We have it hooked up temporarily. And after it gets to about 120 psi, it shuts down. Holds plenty of air, no leaks, nothing. Really good condition. There's a little bit of shipping distress right here on the grill or the grate for the fan pulley shroud. Not a big deal. Doesn't affect the operation whatsoever at all. And we thank you for looking at our product.